Here's how to use incognito or private browsing on your iPhone Safari. Now, if you have Safari and you wanted to go over to the private browsing so it doesn't track any of your history or cookies or cache, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's just open up the Safari app here. And you can see I'm at apple.com. If I want to switch over to a private browsing window, I'm going to tap on the two squares at the bottom right. Now you'll be able to see it says one tab, and to the left of it, it says private. All I need to do is switch to private, and now I'll tap on the plus at the bottom left, and you can see just like that, I'm in a private browsing window that won't remember any of my history or information. However, if you don't see private as an option, what you're going to do is check the screen time settings. So let's head into settings here. And then we'll just scroll down until you find screen time and open that up. Now on here, let's scroll down, tap on content and privacy restrictions towards the bottom. And now you can see midway down is App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Let's just tap on that. And now you can see midway down is Web Content. If this is set to limit adult websites, let me enter in the screen time passcode. You might need to enter in that screen time passcode or ask whoever set it up for that passcode to change this. You can see if it's set to limit adult websites or only approved websites, even if I open up Safari, you can see it doesn't pop up with private as an option. So you need to make sure to switch this to unrestricted. Again, enter in that passcode. And then if you open up Safari, you should be able, you might need to close it back out. You should be able to open it back up. And after a few minutes or seconds, there we go. It pops up with that private option to go over to the private browsing. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.